kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. And so guys, in this video I am back with the fourth project that I have for the college project for the students. So this is basically the GPS navigation app, and you can and it has a lot of features that I will show you in the demo. So okay, so let me open my uh, phone screen. And okay, so now we open the app. It is, the name is Hello GPS, so it is the mini pocket GPS. Okay, so here you can see we have these four options. The first one is the current location, the second is the route finder, third one is the nearby places, and then street view. So if we click on current location, so our current location will be shown on the map, and there you can see we have the current location here. All right, so also it can show you with the satellite view as well. Okay, so the second thing that is the nearby places. So I click on the nearby places, and here you can see we can have a lot of icons. So let me search for the mosque, so it will show me. Okay, so no place found nearby, so let me find some restaurants. So here we have the restaurants, and there you can see we have a lot of restaurants around my this. So here we have the PMA Rendezvous, then we have the Imam BJ Food, then we have the Pizza Owner. Here we have Marhaba Roti Naan, we have Captain Unique, and we have Subhan Hotel, Madina Roti Naan, and many others. Okay, so if we want to go there, so we can click on it, and it will show me the location, the alternate path as well, and the shortest path as well. So it also shows me the distance of 19, and if I want to navigate, so it will open the Google Map and we can easily navigate. Okay, so after this also we have a lot of other things. So let me just search for the banks, and there you can see we have the Askari bank here also with the picture. We have the another Askari bank. Okay, so I think we have only two Askari banks nearby, so that's how it works. So the next thing is the street view. So if we open it, it will automatically show you the current location street view, but the location which I am right now in, it does not have the street view. So here we can search, for example, London. So if I click on that, and we are able to see the street view. All right, so if I click on Lahore, Pakistan, and it will show me the location, but I think it's not available. So let me write Islamabad, and yes, it's showing me the Islamabad view. Alright, so that's how the street view works. And finally we have the route finder. So here we have the here so now I can also select this, the location from where I want to go. So suppose if I want to here, and then I click on the destination, and I write suppose Toyota Abbott Motors suppose. So I will click on it, and it will show me the current location of how we can go there, and it shows me 12.7 kilometer, and the duration is the time that it will take is 32 minutes. Okay, so that how we can find the location as well. Okay guys, so that was it for this project, and if you want this project, I will put my Facebook link in the description, so you can inbox me, and I will be happy to assist you. Okay guys, so if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and good.